Hey y'all, Keeney coming to you with another pro tip of the day. So we've got an 11 Duramax in the garage tonight, and this one is just dealing with a basic circuit check. It's pretty straightforward. Let me show you what I got going on. So set yourself up for success when you're doing basic circuit checks. However you work with back probing connectors, whether it's pins or whatever you're doing, front test your back probe test before you continue on elsewhere. So in this example, we've got this T-pin back probed into this connector, and I'm just going to check the front side to make sure that my back probe connection is good before I get lost in the weeds of all the other harnesses in the car to do that continuity check. So pretty basic, pretty straightforward tonight, but there are so many times when we get all these fancy adapters, whether they're spin on or press lock or whatever, friction fit, etc. There's so many other connections going on here with our equipment. Just set yourself up for success and front test your back probe test before you continue on with the rest of your circuit checks on the other side of the harness. That's all I got. I'll catch y'all on the next one.